The pumpkins you buy for Halloween have got a reputation for not being very tasty. This isn't true. They make a delicious soup. Pumpkin in half. Scrape out the seeds and the inside of the pumpkin. Put your pumpkin into manageable size pieces. Skin, two ways of doing it: with a knife if you've got the skills and daring to do it that way, or flat on the board, straight down like that. There is lots of flavour in the skins, so we're going to make a stock out of the skins. Skins into water, into a pan, boil, simmer for 30 minutes until tender when all the flavour has been released. Strain the stock. Peeled and roughly cut up onions. They're going to take longer to cook than the pumpkin, so cook those in the stock for 10 minutes. 3 chicken stock cubes, the pumpkin, and cook until tender. Season it with salt, pepper, maybe another stock cube. Taste it. Add milk. Curry it again. Check the seasoning one more time. And then enjoy.